welcome back to Camõesian Healthy Cooking Show.
I am Karina from 5C, and today I'm joined by
Chef Mavis from 4C.
So what are we going to make today?
Today we're going to make fruit yogurt cereal.
So I think this is a healthy breakfast dish, right?
Yeah, so now let's start.
So let us introduce the main ingredients first. So it includes bananas, strawberries, blueberries,
Milk, yogurt, and cornflakes.
Then let's start making it.
Okay, first we need to cut the strawberries.
Actually, I have a question for you. Why do we use yogurt today? I think it's a little bit strange.
Because I tried yogurt before.
So
and
it is
yummy. So first we need to cut the strawberries, but we have cut it before, so
we know you cut it.
yeah.
Remember, safety first. Do it when the adults at home. Then wash the blueberries, but we will also already wash it at first.
Then we need to put the yogurt.
I thought you forgot the banana.
We need to cut it.
Oh.
Okay, let's open it. Okay, when we open it, be careful or else
Just do it like now. All float it out. So how much you want is actually your opinion. If you like yogurt more, you can add more. But if you don't want too much, you just add the portion you like. So for now, we are not adding this cornflakes because if the cornflakes add into the yogurt too early, then it will be very soggy and wet, which will not make it crunchy. Then it will not be yummy. So I think we need to add a little more.
Okay, that's enough. And we are going to put something else.
I can smell the yogurt. It smells nice. Okay, so
Then we need to cut the bananas, and we actually already finished cutting the bananas, and we are going to put some.
be careful. Do you know banana? The meaning of banana is meaning of wise men.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, and also how long will the blueberry freeze in?
The blueberry will freeze in like 4 minutes, and I was surprised when I first hear it.
Oh, did you try it?
Yes, it really works. Then we need to put the strawberries. It is also optional. It's also optional.
And also, do you know that strawberries are the only fruit will have the seed outside?
Yeah.
Okay, I can smell the fruit and it's very colorful.
Yes.
So maybe we will add a little bit of milk, or else it will be too sticky.
Then we push it out.
Yeah, this is a little trick for the milk. Okay, open it carefully. Don't add too much, or else it will be full of milk, which is not good. You can add a little bit more heavily. Okay, let's put it back here. Then, okay, at last we can add the cornflakes so it can be finished.
Yummy.
Yeah. Let us put it inside. Do you know who invented the cornflakes?
Is it Mr. Carrot?
Yeah, you're correct. That's why he has a name on here. Let me help you. Finally. Pour it in. This also, you can choose how much you want. But yeah, but this is the most important, so you must have it. So mix it together now. It looks great. Okay, the banana is still together. And also, when you mix it, don't use too much energy or else the bananas will be smashed together. Okay, then finish. Okay, done. So now let's invite our tasters.
Tasters, please. Wow, you guys even brought a spoon. You must be very hungry.
Yeah, smells so nice.
We couldn't wait. Okay. So, who are you guys?
Tiffany from 5B.
Alicia from 5B and Khadija from 6B.
So, you can taste it now. I hope you guys like it. Be careful. Or it always goes on your uniform?
Yeah, uniform. I'm gonna taste it too.
Yeah. That smells good.
It tastes very good. Tastes delicious.
Okay, so do you have any comments actually?
You should have put more milk because it's a bit like too dry, the cereal.
Okay, so next time we will add thanks for your comments. So this is the end of our show. See you next time.
Bye.